Again sort. Hello YouTubers, कैसे आप सब लोग? Hope you are doing well. So in the last lecture, lecture number 15, we have solved 4 problems of NCERT class 12 3-dimensional geometry exercise 11.2. In today's lecture, lecture number 16, we are again going to solve few more problems from question number 9 to 12. So without wasting any time, let's go to the blackboard. So question number 9, find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line that passes through the points this and this. So this problem will use the concept which we have studied in lecture number 8. So again my humble request to you, again if you come directly to this lecture number 16, please go through lecture number 8 first, then come to this. So solution. So we know the Cartesian equation of a line passing through 2 points, say x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 is, the standard form is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. So simply we will compare this, say x1, y1, z1 and this one x2, y2, z2, that is 3 minus 2 6, that x2 y2 z2 and 3 minus 2 minus 5 x1 y1 z1. So we simply put the values, implies x minus x1 means 3, y minus 2 means plus 2, z minus of minus 5 means plus 5 plus 5 by x2 minus x1 means 3 minus 3 means 0. Okay. This one y2 minus 1 minus 2 of minus 2 minus of minus 2 means plus 2, so 0. Again this one 6 minus of minus 5 means plus 5, 11. So this is answer. This is the Cartesian equation of the line passing through 2 given points. Now we are going to derive the vector equation of this line. We know that the vector equation of a line passing through 2 given points whose position vectors are a vector and b vector is, standard form is r vector minus a vector equal to lambda times b vector minus a vector. I think you are familiar with this form because we have discussed this form in lecture number 8. So please go through lecture number 8 again and come to this problem. Then you can get all the terms I am writing here very easily. So here a vector, what are the components of a vector? These are x1, y1, z1. So 3 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 5 k cap. 3 minus 2 minus 5. 3 minus 2 minus 5. I cap, j cap, k cap. And what b vector is? What are the components of b vector? See the question. Components of b vector are x2, y2, z2. That is 3 minus 2, 6. 3 minus 2, 6. So I cap, j cap, k cap plus. So we will just simply put the values of b vector and a vector in this relation named star. So here r vector minus a vector means 3I cap minus 2j cap minus 5k cap equal to lambda times b vector minus a vector means here b vector this and a vector is this 3I cap minus 2j cap. Here also 3I cap minus 3I cap 0I cap minus 2j cap minus of minus means plus 2j cap so 0 again, so remaining term will be 6k cap minus of minus 5k cap. I think you have understood. Where always mention lambda is a non-zero scalar. Don't give the examiners any scope to cut your numbers in the papers. Okay, so always mention this, lambda belongs to r, lambda not equal to 0. Okay, so again we get from this is a r vector equal to 3I cap minus 2j cap minus 5k cap lambda times plus lambda times 6 plus 5 11k cap. So this will be the answer. So we are done. Problem number 9 is solved completely. So we again move to the next problem. Problem number 10. Find the angle between the following pairs of lines. Number 1 problem is r vector this, r vector this. So two lines, equations of two lines are given. We have to find the angle between them. So again in this problem we are going to use the concept what we have learned in lecture number 9. So please go through lecture number 9 and come to this problem, then you can solve this problem very easily. So here solution. Comparing, say this is equation 1, say this is equation 2. Comparing equations 1 and 2 with r vector equal to a vector plus lambda times b vector. This is a equation of a line passing through a given point and parallel to a given vector. This also we have discussed in our previous lectures, maybe lecture number 4 I think. You just search. सब कुछ मैं ही बोल दूंगा क्या, आप लोग को भी कुछ सर्च करना पड़ेगा ना. प्लेलिस्ट में जाइए, वीडियोस में देखिए, मेरे चैनल में मिल जाएगा आप लोग को. ठीक है, अगर सर एक सब कुछ बोल देंगे तो ठीक नहीं है. सो आर वेक्टर इक्वल टू ए वेक्टर प्लस लैम्डा टाइम्स बी वेक्टर. सो वी हैव बी वेक्टर, b1 वेक्टर से इक्वल टू 3I cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap. So therefore components of b1 vector are what? a1, b1, c1. In that case 3, 2, 6. Therefore a1, b1, c1 equal to, I'll just write in detail. Therefore direction ratios of b1 vector equal to a1, b1, c1 equal to 3, 2, 6. Okay. So again, why we are deriving a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2, you can understand by applying the, while applying the formula of angle between two lines, which we have studied in lecture number 9. So again, direction ratios of b2 vector equal to a2, b2, c2 say equal to what? From this equation to 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2, comma. So now we will use the formula. Therefore, angle between the two lines 1 and 2 is cos theta equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square, A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. If you go sequentially in the any subject, especially in mathematics, you can understand anything. If you follow all the lectures from the beginning, from lecture 1 to lecture 16, I will give you a guarantee that you will remain with zero doubt. So A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, previous page. What is A1, B1, C1, this, A2, B2, C2, C2. So A1, A2 means 3 into 1, B1, B2, 2 into 2, and C1, C2, 6 into 2. So 3 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 12 by root A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. So 3 square plus 2 square plus 6 square. 3 to 6. 3 to 6 square 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 plus. And root A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. A2 B2 C2 is what? 1 to 2. 1 to 2 square square square. So plus. Take whole magnitude to make it positive, because we are going to find the acute angle, not the obtuse angle. Okay. So 12 plus 4, 16, 19. And here 36. This is the rough space. 36, 4, 9. So this is 49. So root over 49 means 7. And here 2 is to 4, 4, 8, 9. So root over 9 means 3. So 19 by 21. Therefore, theta equal to the angle between the two lines. Angle between lines 1 and 2 equal to cos inverse 19 by 21. So this is answer. So we are done. So again we are moving to the next problem. See, in this problem, problem number 10 of 2, find the angle between the following pairs of lines. Again R vector with this, R vector with this. This is same type of problem as the previous one. So should I solve it today? No. It will be given as home assignment. But मुझे तो पता है आप लोग सॉल्व तो करेंगे नहीं, और सॉल्व करेंगे भी तो कमेंट तो करेंगे नहीं आंसर में, कमेंट सेक्शन में. Home assignment. So my humble request to you, solve this home assignment and put your answer in the comment section below. It will motivate me a lot. Thank you. So again we are moving to the next problem. 11.1. Find the angle between the following pair of lines, this and this. In that case, the lines are given in the which form? Cartesian form. So solution. In the last problem which we have solved, the equation of lines are given in vector form. So comparing, say this is equation 1, say this is equation of the line 2. Comparing equations of lines 1 and 2 with the standard form of line, that is x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1. We get, what we get? From equation 1, we just need a1, b1, c1. So a1, x minus 2, here y minus 1, z plus 3. Okay, and for equation 2, this is x plus 2, this form, y minus 4, again in this form, z minus 5, again in this form. So a1, b1, c1 equal to what? 2, 5 minus 3. and again comparing this standard form with equation 2, we get A2 B2 C2 is what? Minus 1 8 4. So again we are applying the formula what we have learned in lecture number 9. So cos theta, if theta be the angle between the lines 1 and 2, then cos theta equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square root A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Take whole magnitude. So what is A1 A2 B1 B2 C1 C2? See previous page. A1 A2 2 into minus 1 minus 2, B1 B2 5 into 8, so 40, C1 C2 minus 3 into 4, so minus 12, magnitude by root A1 square plus B1 square C1 square. So A1 B1 C1 is what? 2 5 minus 3. So 2 5 minus 3 square 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 plus plus. Again square root A2 B2 C2 A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. What is A2 B2 C2? Minus 1 8 4 minus 1 minus 1 8 4 8 4 square 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 plus plus. So total magnitude, so equal to 40 minus, here we take the rough area, rough space. Okay, so here 40 minus 14, what is the result? 6 to 26 by, here root 4 plus 25 plus 9 root 1 plus 64 plus 16 equal to 26. We go to the next page. Here it is 25 plus 9 means 34, 38, and here it is 64, 60, 17, 81. So next page, this page we have to solve. So it is 26 by root over 38, and what is root over 81? 9. So answer. So we have solved the problem number 11.1. So again go to the next problem. 11.2. Find the angle between the following pair of lines, this and this. So again this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Both the equation of lines are given in the Cartesian form. So this problem is very much similar to the previous problem. So again this problem is given as home assignment. बिकॉज इतना आसान सवाल अगर सॉल्व करते रहूँगा तो लेक्चर भी बड़ा होगा, आप लोग भी बोर हो गए. तो घर में कुछ करिए और कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट डाल दीजिए. ओके 11 12. So problem number 12. Find the values of P so that the lines these and these are at right angles. So again we are going to use the particular case which we have studied in lecture number 9, timeline may be from 21 to 20, in between 21 to 25 minutes, perpendicular condition. So first we just convert these equations of lines in standard form. So here 1 minus x, but we know that the standard form of the equation of line is in x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, in this type of form. So here 1 minus x. In that equation 2, again we see that 7 minus 7x. So we have to convert it in the standard form. So solution. It is a very important type of problem. Okay. So equation 1, this is say equation 2. So making the, not making, reduce the equation 1 in the standard form of line x minus x1 from here I will write x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1 we get. So this is the equation of line in Cartesian form passing through a given point x1, y1, z1 and parallel to a given line a1 whose direction ratios are a1, b1, c1. We have studied this in earlier lectures. Okay, so here 1 minus x. So we will just multiply the numerator and denominator by negative sign. So here minus of, see this very minutely. So minus minus will cancel in numerator denominator, the whole thing remains the same. We just turning it, the equation 1 to the standard form. We just take this 7 common, so y minus 14, so 2 by 2p equal to z minus 3 by 2. This is okay because this is in standard form. So now we just divide, to turn this equation in standard form, we just divide the numerator and denominator by 7 of this term, second term. So implies 1 minus x by minus 3, y minus 2 by 2p by 7, z minus 3 by 2. So this equation 1 is reduced to the standard form. Now we will reduce the equation 2 to the standard form. So go to the next page. 7 minus 7x by 3p. 7 we have 7 minus 7x by 3p equal to previous page, y minus 5 by 1 equal to 6 minus z by 5. So here it should be in the form x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. I have write it down again for your convenience. We will just bring this equation in this form. Okay. So 7 minus 7x. So take minus 7 in common. So x minus 1 by 3p equal to y minus 5 by 1 by z minus 6 by minus 5 implies x minus 1 by 3p by minus 7, y minus 5 by 1 and z minus 6 by minus 5. So again this equation of the line 2 comes in the standard form. So now we are going to apply the particular case of lecture number 9, that is the perpendicular case, because we have to find the value of P so that these two lines are perpendicular to each other, that is at right angles. The acute angle between them must be 90 degree. So what is the condition? As we have studied, A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. What is A1 A2, A1 B1 C1? Value of here, I will write it down here, for line 1, A1 B1 C1 equal to what? Minus 3, 2p by 7 and 2. Again I am telling you, this is a very important type of problem. Don't neglect this type of problems. These are very important, may come in the examination. Again from this, what is A2 B2 C2? Here A2 B2 C2 are what? 3p by minus 7, 1 minus 5. Okay. So what is the condition of perpendicularity? To be perpendicular, if the lines 1 and 2 are perpendicular to each other, then what? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. So what is A1 and A2? See previous page. A1 means minus 3 and A2 means 3p by minus 7. Minus 3 minus 3p by 7. See previous page. Minus 3p by 7 and minus 3. Okay. So what is B1? 2p by 7. What is B2? B2 is 1 plus. What is C1 C2? C1 means 2. And what is the value of C2? C2 is minus 5. So this must be 0. So from this relation it is very easy to derive the value of P. So implies minus minus plus 9p by 7, 2p by 7 minus 10 equal to 0, implies 11p by 7 equal to 10, implies p equal to 70 by 11. So we are done. We have found the value of P. So this is answer. So hope you have enjoyed today's lecture number 16. So thank you for watching.